Performance Assessment Development presentation by Bridget Sandoval. The standards and learning target assessed. Mathematics Kindergarten Standard for Geometry. Prepared graduates. MP4 models with mathematics. GP6 attend to protect. MP7 looks for and makes us of standards, grade level expectations. Discuss objects in the environment using names of shapes, and discuss the position of their objects using themes such as above, below, side, in front or behind, and next to. Correctly naming shapes regardless of their obvious or oversized, identifying shapes, and two-dimensional, laying in a plane, flat, or three-dimensional solid. Colorado emotional skills and mathematical practices. Develop a physical world for geometrists. Provides shapes, objects, and special relationships. Reflects in an include understanding of the shape by using incredible piece language to discuss them. Short shapes into characteristics, square, shape, triangle, etc., based on a bit of the shape. For given shapes, what ability makes an example of the shape different of the non-example? For example, why is the shape point to the square a square while the square points to the non-square is not? What are the ways of describing what the object is? The expectation is in addition to the major work of the grade. In preschool, students learn about colors, shapes, triangles, and their parts. In kindergarten, the expectation continues with the work of analyzing, comparing, contrasting, and composing shapes. In fact, the future grade students collaborate area and surface area of those and other shapes. I can say with student say what shape things in the world look like. I can say what the shape something is not masked, the size or how it is placed. I can tell the difference between flat 2D or solid 3D shape. I can use shapes instant by the name and the there in the world. I know the difference between a square and a rectangle. I know the difference between a circle and an oval. I can sort shapes into different kinds of groups. I can say what makes a shape different. A square is 4 sides the same size. I can discuss words to help tell where this shape is at. In the rubric, can name objects by shape no matter size or placement. Struggles naming shapes. Can name most shapes. Can name all shapes. Can tell where objects are by using description words above below. Struggles with using description words. Can give description most times, but struggles at times. Can give properly description using discussion words. Knows the difference between 2D flat and 2D solid. Struggles with knowing the difference. Can tell the difference between most objects. Understands what flat and solid shapes are. Can sort shapes into different categories. Struggles sorting into different categories. Can sort most shapes into categories but struggles with some shapes. Can sort into many different categories without troubles. Can explain why shapes are different. Struggles explaining why shapes are different. Can explain most shapes different but struggles with a few. Can explain difference between shapes. Assessment serves a clear and ability purpose. Did the author use at are the range assessment reflects values target has developed. No, you're designing the method, making sense of your conclusions, how to assess, help a conclusion with others about students, and key developments, clear how students are involved in the assessment as a way to help them understand assessment targets